Hello again. We are back with another episode of Park Hyatt at Home, aka Super Chef Dad Chronicles. I'm your host Matt. My sous chef Zoe is on location. Thrilled to be there. So as you know, here on Park Hyatt at Home, we do take requests. And I was going through the old mailbag and we got a special request for a homemade veggie burger recipe. Who'da thunk it? I happen to have a great veggie burger recipe. What? Veggie burgers? Really? I think that's a great idea. Let's get with the times, people. So for today's episode, we're making veggie burgers. Yeah, don't tell Zoe. Can you name your 3 favorite vegetables?
Carrot, corn, and carrot.
Once you have all of your ingredients roasted off and cooled, mix together in a large bowl our roasted mushrooms, our beans, our eggplant, along with some sliced scallions, your garlic, smoked paprika, feta cheese. Pulse to combine. Mix in your rice. Pulse again. To bind this whole thing together, and you're gonna think this is a little bit crazy, we're gonna use 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs, and 4 eggs. Again, we're replacing the fat that you would normally find in ground beef to make a really savory burger, and the mayonnaise does just the trick. Again, this recipe is very flexible. I think the main principles here that I'm showing you is, there are a lot of different little nuances that you could do to make this, customize this to your tastes. But the most important thing is this burger patty has a great mouthfeel and a great texture, and they're a heck of a lot better than the normal frozen burger patty options, veggie burger patty options that are out there for you. Next up, homemade pickles. To get the most liquid out of our cucumbers, take another bowl, you have the same size, put a 5-pound weight on top, and let these sit in the fridge for a couple hours. Then we drain them, give them a quick rinse, and mix them with our pickling brine. We've got our trusty deli container, never leave home without it. And you could just eyeball this. I have one of these ice cream scoops. These come in really handy too for portioning. This is a 1 3/4 ounce scoop, if I'm not mistaken. 3 scoops, about a 5-ounce patty. Fold in your plastic, press it down. You're not making mashed potatoes, you just want to compact it, right? Just enough so it holds the shape. Don't go crazy with it. I know you like to go crazy. We have our patties all formed up. What I like to do, throw the whole sheet pan in the freezer. Whenever you have a hankering for one of these meatless beauties, you could cook it right from frozen. Best thing to do is to pan fry them in a generous amount of oil. What we're going for is a super crispy texture all the way around. At the restaurant where I used to serve these, we actually would deep fry them, which is the best for maximum crispy fattiness. Because it's a burger, right? It's not gonna be healthy no matter what you do with it, so live it up. But for here at home, big skillet, 1/2 cup of oil. As we cook, we'll try to get the edges too as best as we can. Then we'll drain them on paper towels, a little sprinkle of salt, and we're ready to eat. We've got our buns ready to go. Martin's potato roll. There is no other bun. Sriracha mayo or chipotle mayo, either are fine. Grilled tomato. Can't forget the house-made pickles. Zoe-size burger. Look at that. We got the taste test here. What do you think about this burger? Oh my God. Look how crispy. And to get the edges, just tilt the pan and let the oil pool up around the edges. Homemade coleslaw. All right, the recipe's in the description. Has cilantro, cabbage, cucumber, tahini sauce. What? On a burger? Yeah. So Jihad, I hope you're happy. This was your request. Veggie burger on a potato bun is what you asked for. I know you said you wanted some sliced onion on there. Well, you don't need a recipe for that. But here you go. Yummy. Did you know this burger is made out of delicious things? Am I distracting you from your movie? Is this the best burger you ever ate?
Yeah.
Is Daddy the best chef you ever met? What other chefs have you ever met? I hope you enjoy making veggie burgers with me. I think it's a really great recipe. You could tweak it however you like it in a lot of different ways. I put some extra notes in the text in the video and in the description. So check it out. Please, if you like what you're seeing, share the Super Chef Dad Chronicles with your friends or strangers. Subscribe even. And I'll see you next week. Happy cooking. Now it's time for me to get into this. That's a good veggie burger. Can't see through me. Can't see through me.
Daddy,
Can't see
stop
through me. I'm better than the movie, right?